Akshay, did you always knew what you wanted to do when you passed out from MBA?
I was all over the place. Saurabh, what about you?
यार मेरे को तो तब भी आइडिया नहीं था, आज भी आइडिया नहीं है.
Confused about your career choices? Wondering what steps to take next? In this podcast called Beyond Campus, Saurabh Garg, founder of C4E, and Akshay Dutt, founder of Unnati, are on a mission to crack open the career success code for the youth. वो बचपन में कहते थे ना, तुम जो चाहे बन सकते हो. So, let's turn the dream into reality.
Hi, I'm Hitesh Dhingra. I'm founder of The Man Company, a leading premium grooming essential brand for men.
Long gone are the days when the men in the house only kept a toothbrush and a comb besides their mirrors and considered it their essentials. But now, those slick black hair, that perfectly trimmed beard, and that ecstatic cologne, it's simply what every guy needs to make him stand out. Wish to know who curated the brand that brings out the gentleman in a guy? In 2015, Hitesh Dhingra found The Man Company, a premium grooming essential brand that has made a bold mark in the shortest time. My boys, it's a story you don't want to miss. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to hear Hitesh talking about how it all started.
So, Hitesh, the first thing which we want to understand, entrepreneurship का कीड़ा वो इनबॉर्न होता है, मतलब बचपन से ही उसके साइंस दिखते हैं, और is it something which you kind of accidentally get into, or so is it by design or is it by accident? And do you remember about your childhood and if there were signs of it?
Well, I think bachpan se, obviously I never thought that I'll be an entrepreneur. I wanted to be a pilot while growing up, so took non-med and all this stuff. But then I always saw my parents. So my mother has been a banker for almost 45 years. My father was working with IFCO in a marketing department. और सो उनको दोनों को देखा कि कुछ ना कुछ दे यूज टू प्लान, आई मीन बी इट इन रियल एस्टेट, और एक बार मुझे याद है, आई थिंक आई मस्ट बी व्हाट 8-10 year old, एंड they were planning to set up a factory to manufacture pens, right? So they were doing a lot of R&D, etc. But beyond that, I never thought honestly that I'll be an entrepreneur. तो जब मैं MBA कर रहा था तो उस टाइम आई थिंक आई गॉट सुपर एक्साइटेड कि कुछ अपना स्टार्ट करूंगा, और अगर नहीं भी करूंगा तो आई वॉज सुपर एक्साइटेड बाय द स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम एज वेल, एटलीस्ट, राइट? सो मुझे था, एक हमारी कैंपस में कुछ ऑल्मा मेथर्स थे हमारे, उन्होंने स्टार्ट की थी एक स्टार्टअप कॉल्ड ईसिस. सो विद इन 4 years दे बिकेम $1 billion रेवेन्यू बिजनेस ऑपरेटिंग इन 30-35 countries. So I was super excited to see their growth chart, right? And वहाँ से मुझे लगता है कि एक कीड़ा आया कि यार या तो ऐसी कंपनी में काम करना है जहाँ पे लर्निंग हो अच्छी और इतनी फास्ट ग्रोथ हो, या अपनी कोई ऐसी कंपनी खड़ी करनी है. बट आई थिंक इन माई माइंड आई न्यू माई लिमिटेशंस. मुझे पता था कि माई पेरेंट्स वोंट बी एबल टू फंड माई प्रोजेक्ट, और अभी मुझे एटलीस्ट आई नीड टू अर्न, पे देम बैक, and then probably over a period of time start something on my own. So I think वहाँ से थोड़ा कीड़ा आना शुरू हुआ, and it took me almost 3-4 years to kind of take my first leap into startup world.
So from campus you joined ESIS. So tell me about that journey.
So ESIS was I still remember, 13th company to visit the campus, right? And I didn't appear for first 12 companies because I wanted to give my 100% and join ESIS. I was, I think, too excited by their journey. And especially knowing that all the founders were from my MBA school. So I waited for that company. Fortunately, I went through. I got a job, joined them in June 2004 in their Delhi office. But within a month and a half, they decided to move me to Singapore, which was their headquarters. तो सिंगापुर में मेरा काफी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा.
Wait, did you want to hear more? Then just visit podm.in/bc on your mobile browser to listen to full episodes of this show.